Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. This is ICT lesson of week 2. In this lesson we will cover some more topics related to basics of computer science. The resources of this lesson are Computer Science and Information Technology, that is your book, grade 7 book, chapter 1. We will cover page 2 and 3 today. In methodology, audio and visual aids are here. 2 educational videos are included. Links are given, you can watch the videos. You will listen my lesson very carefully. I am going to ask some questions at the end of this lesson. Then I will give you the reading assignment as homework, and at the last of this lesson I will explain the lab task. The learning objectives are: by the end of this week, students will be able to define input in units or input devices. Students will be able to answer which device is used to read barcodes, explain how MCQs, tests or bubble sheets are checked, describe how handwritten text is converted into machine encoded text, briefly explain how checks and credit cards are processed. First of all, let's take a review of previous lesson. In first lesson, we have learned the brief definition of computer and basic operations. I hope you have read the topic applications of computer that I gave you as assignment. In first lesson, we had introduced with organization of computer components also. I will proceed this topic. We have studied this diagram in previous lesson. These are 5 units, 5 functional units, 5 functional components of the computer. The first component is input unit. We will cover this component today. Input units, also called input devices. Input devices accept data from a user and convert them into a form that can be understood by the computer. Input devices are used to give the input to the computer. In this picture, some devices are here. First device is joystick. Joystick is used for gaming, for giving the directions to the object. Second is mouse, then mic, tablet and some others are here. We will learn some more input devices. The first device is barcode reader, barcode scanner. It is an electronic device for reading printed barcodes. You can see an image here. One device that is called barcode reader scanning the black vertical lines. This strip of vertical bars is called barcode. You can see this type of barcode on almost every product. In barcode, the information of product is saved like price, model number, etc. When cashier scans this barcode, from the product, the name and price is printed on bill. So the barcode readers are used in stores, in bakeries, etc. The next input device is optical mark reader. It is an input device used for capturing human mark data in surveys and tests. Students, you have seen the bubble sheet or MCQ sheets that you are using for solving the MCQs, for marking the correct answers of MCQs. Those sheets, those bubble sheets or MCQ sheets are checked on this device that you can see on this machine. How the MCQ sheets or bubble sheets are checked on this machine. I have given the link here. You can watch the video and you can understand the processing of this machine. Optical character reader. It is used to do electronic translation of handwritten, typewritten, or printed text into machine encoded text. It is widely used to convert books and documents into electronic files. It is also used to computerize a record keeping system in an office or to publish the text on the website. OCR software now has been attached in the scanner and mobile phone also. You can see the device is reading, is scanning the text on the page. This text will be converted into electronic form, and then that text will be that electronic form. Electronic text is can be saved on the computer and can edit also. I have given the video. You can watch this video and take more information. Next input device is magnetic ink character reader, MICR. It is used for character recognition technology by the banking industry to facilitate the processing of checks and debit cards. In banks, the MICR is used to process the checks. On the checks, the text is printed with the magnetic ink, and the MICR is used to read that magnetic ink characters. In ATM machines, this MICR is also used in ATM machines to read, to scan the account number or the information on debit or credit cards. So this was the lesson. Now it's a time of quiz. The first question is, what is MICR and where is it used? Just think about it. I have explained it in the lesson. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader, and it is used in banking industry for processing the checks and debit credit cards. Second question is, which device is used for reading barcodes? The answer is very easy. So the barcode reader is used for reading the barcodes. What is an optical mark reader used for? Optical mark reader is used for the checking surveys and tests. This is your assignment, reading assignment. You will read the characteristics of the computer and advantages of the computer, page 5 and 6. This is on your book, page 5 and 6. I have given the pictures of these characteristics and advantages as a assignment in assignment document. The last one is lab task. You will make a project report on the characteristics of computers, and you will take a printout of your file also. You will make it on Microsoft Word.